Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Chaitanya and you're watching Chaitanya Nitya. Firstly, please apologize if you hear any sound from the background because there is some construction happening in my neighborhood. So please bear with me. Today's video is about taking care of the stray when you find them around your locality because even they are part of the world and they are here to look after us, safeguard us, and also when you are truly kind to them, give love and affection to them, they'll surely give you the same in return. So your stray dogs don't need anything from you, just a little amount of food, water and shelter and lots of love from you. In my locality, I have around 16 dogs and 4 small puppies to take care. I daily serve them food, water and provide them shelter. This video is a small glimpse of how I take care of my stray. I'm just not boosting myself or exaggerating things. It's just a small hint or a small knowledge to give awareness to the people to take care of their stray dogs. Stray dogs are really not bad or worst. When you love them, they'll start loving you. This is the food for my stray. I've used rice. This is coupon rice. And I'll be adding some water into it. Nextly, I'll be adding a pinch of turmeric. This acts as an antibiotic and clears any kind of itching happening in their stomach. Skip to the good part. I've just kept around 2 kgs of chicken in my freezer all the time. So I'm gonna add that. And you're ready to go. 2 whistles and you'll be done. And also I've kept a bucket full of water. The bucket is in bad condition. Please ignore that because people even steal the buckets. And I bought these things from the nearby scrap shop. I'm planning to do a house for these stray dogs. So I just don't know how the end results will turn out. So let's hope for the best. I have one tarpaulin, 1 sheet and this waste basket. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. I'm using this sheet to build this house and cover up with the sheet. Yeah, I'm just building it. And yeah, this is how it turned out to be. It's cozy. And yeah, this is the final outcome. Safe and cozy during winters and rainy season. Thumbs up! And yeah, this is the final outcome of the second house. It's cozy inside. A good house for the winters. The first one and the second one came out very well.
And actually everyone are having a very good time in the new house. They're so overwhelmed, feeling comfortable and they're so happy actually. You seriously can't get so much of love and affection from anyone. Those free wagging tails, the happy faces, and he's the best and cutest among all. And this cute little puppy, I just love him. He's so cute.
And we got our newcomers. There are 6 cute little buddies. Anyone ready to adopt can adopt here. And I've served some milk. They're just 4 weeks. Yeah, hope you like this video. This video is just a small glimpse of me taking care of my stray pets. way they're so affectionate towards me. If you really want to go forward with these skills, you can go ahead and take care of your stray puppies and dogs. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you. Massive